Battery exhausted, she says. I'm fucking exhausted. Well, today is a sad day, but well, is it? Or is it a good day? I don't fucking know. Make your own mind up. My name's Paul, this is Milo Studios. This is a little recap video and a little update on a project we did a little while ago. You will remember the Black Strat. It was a very popular video, at least the first one was, until people fucking disappeared into the hedges. Everything went very well on that Strat. It was supposed to be an effigy of Gilmour Strat, which most people missed that point. Oh, it's not exact, you haven't got the little twizzly knob. It was supposed to be a fun project that anyone could have had a go at, and we made some changes. It was inspired by, and I had a lot of fun doing it, and it drew a lot of people into the channel, so it fucking worked, didn't it? But, and I say but, the paint job was really shit. It was a fail. The paint job was a fail. I didn't know anything about relicking guitars. I thought that because I was relicking it, I didn't have to paint it that well because I was going to be knackering it up. That's not true. If you're going to relic a guitar, it needs to start as a well-painted guitar. And fortunately, I know a good painter. Hang on a minute. So I took the bugger apart and I sent him off and I had it painted properly by a proper painter. Thank you, Brian, for painting this guitar. In return, Brian works out with me at my gym at home and there's a free membership for forever. So I'll probably get him to paint a few more, let's be honest, because that is mustard and it's a piece of piss for him to do. So we've got a nicely painted Black Strat. Now the next announcement is, I said I'd give this away at 10,000 subscribers. Well, I hit 10,000 subscribers last week, and then I did a video on the shittest glary guitar in the world, and I'm almost at 14,000. So that passed very, very quickly. Turns out more people want to see me review bollocks guitars than they do build guitars. But that's fine, I'll do both, because I quite enjoy doing the bollock guitar reviews. They're pretty stress-free videos, and I get to put my hands on some really cool guitars. So anyway, without too many digressions, I've got to put this back together because someone has won it. I announced in the last video that this is not going to be sold for leukemia care. I actually sold my Pink Jazzy and put that money in instead. Spoke to Doc, who provided the pickups and did his own little version of the Gilmour mod, which most people shit their pants about because we didn't have a toggle switch, but it does the same thing. So watch all the videos before you get your fucking stupid comments out. A young lad has won this. I said I was going to pick my favourite comment, and you all, lots of people, my favourite comment, and all your originality, it was brilliant, endless. Really glad I've set that little target. But I've had a couple of messages over the year, really, from Kev McGarry, and he watches the videos of his boy Toby. Toby started playing guitar a year ago, plays in a school band. He sent a couple messages. They both seemed like really nice stand-up fellas. Father and son routine, that was the winner for me. So I chose it based on that. So this guitar's going to Toby. He's won it. I've got to re-relic it because I don't want to send it out like this. The fact that I'm relicking it, I've got a couple of marks on it while it's been sat around the workshop for a week. So I was tempted to leave this unrelicked and refinish the neck and take all that off, but then I thought, no, that's not what we did. We were making a Gilmour guitar. So I'm gonna have another go at relicking this because I'm a glutton for fucking punishment. I've thrown away all my pictures of Gilmour Strat, so I'll be having to do it off my phone. I'm gonna use little Dave. I'm gonna zoom in and we're gonna scratch some shit and beat this guitar up again. Because I fancy having another go. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. And then we'll get this put back together, sent off to Toby. What would I have done differently? I wouldn't have used beech. It's quite a heavy Strat. It's not ridiculously heavy, but beech is a heavy wood. The whole idea was we were using wood around the workshop, stuff that was not going to cost a fortune, that people could have a go at, to prove that you could use any wood. Do you know what I mean? This, you know, and we kind of proved the point. Not to some people were too thick to understand what was going on. I wouldn't reuse the Squire trem. It's not the best. It's not shit, but it's not the best. But I did use it because it's old and it already looks withered, a bit like me. So I'll be putting all this back on. I'll put an extra spring in so that we don't use the trem block. Let's beat this body up, shall we? See you on the other side. Well, thanks for watching this one, everyone. Thanks for enjoying the montage and watching to the end, which all the good YouTube viewers do. This guitar is amazing. Toby's gonna love it. Good on you, boy. Hopefully this is gonna be played in school bands and it's gonna make some serious music. I had a lot of fun. We've moved on now. This is gonna get posted out and I'll see you next week. I'll just see you on the next video. Friday, every Friday without fail, 3 PM GMT. Sometimes I'll do cheeky ones in the week, but I'll surprise you with them because normally they're about some other shit. See you later, everyone. Thanks very much. All the best.